Okay, let's look at when you multiply two binomials together. And a real generic example would be if you had a plus b times c plus d. When you have a binomial times a binomial, we use something called FOIL to help us remember the order. And so FOIL says that first, the F stands for first. You basically multiply the first terms in each binomial. So that would be a times c. So that's my first terms. Okay. Next we have, oh, that stands for the outside terms. So next I'm going to multiply my outside terms, and my outside terms here would be a times d. Next, my inside terms, that means the inside terms from this group, and my inside terms would be b times c. That's my I right there. And then the last terms, you multiply the last terms in each binomial, so that would be b times d. So let's use this with x plus 5 times x minus 3, and I'm going to go ahead and multiply my first terms. So that's x times x. Now I'll write that here, and then obviously I'm going to simplify that. That would just be x squared. That's first. Outside terms would be x times negative 3, which is negative 3x. My inside terms would be 5 times x. That's positive. And my last terms would be 5 times negative 3, which is negative 15. Now, usually your outside and your inside terms here are like terms that can be combined, and that's the case here. We have a negative 3x plus 5x, which equals 2x. So I'm going to rewrite this, starting with my first term, and then I'm going to combine my middle terms. We said those add up to be 2x, and then I'm going to bring down the negative 15. So this is what it multiplies to be, x squared plus 2x minus 15.